Calibrating audio desync in Roblox can enhance your gaming experience by ensuring that sound effects and music align properly with the visuals. Follow these steps to adjust the audio settings effectively. Step 1. Open Roblox Studio. Launch Roblox Studio on your computer. This is where you can access the game settings and make necessary adjustments to audio. Step 2. Access game settings. In Roblox Studio, navigate to the Home tab and click on Game Settings. This will open a new window where you can modify various aspects of your game, including audio settings. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. Within the Game Settings window, locate the Audio section. Here, you can find options to adjust the audio volume and other related settings. Make sure to set the volume levels to your preference. Step 4. Test audio sync. After adjusting the audio settings, play your game to test the audio sync. Pay attention to whether the sound effects match the actions on screen. If there is still a desync issue, take note of how much delay exists. Step 5. Fine-tune settings. If you notice any desync, return to the game settings and make further adjustments. You may need to tweak the audio settings multiple times to achieve the perfect sync. Continue testing until you are satisfied with the results. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate the audio desync in Roblox effectively. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.